Debbie, thank you so much for coming in today and doing this with us.
Oh, thank you for having me.
So I just wanted to ask, what originally brought you into HealthWorks?
Actually, my company has well-being days,
Okay.
and HealthWorks came to our office to give us some free massages, and then they were also offering complimentary consultations. So I took a voucher and made an appointment.
So when was that? How many years have you come in?
It's been 2 years, I believe.
Okay,
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah.
All right, so what did daily life look like for you before you started coming in?
I was always in pain.
Okay.
And I think that pain just put a lot of stress, caused anxiety and a lot of brain fog, and just a lot of issues and not a good quality of life.
Right. So how do you feel now compared to when you first started coming in?
Oh my goodness, like a 360 change. I have a lot more energy. I don't have not a lot of pain, and have a lot of focus and joy and energy, and just a lot better.
Awesome. Okay, so is there anything that you can do now that you weren't able to do before?
Just be active. Yeah.
What are some of the activities that you're doing now that you would have thought maybe would have been kind of difficult to do when you first started?
Just gardening, being active with my grandchildren, and I just recently learned to play pickleball, and I'm enjoying that.
Awesome. Yeah. That's amazing. Okay. Okay, so what was your first impression when you came into HealthWorks for the first time?
It was very warm and welcoming. The staff is friendly and kind, and just tailors to anything you need, or any questions you have. And
Good, awesome. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, so how do you feel when you come in for your regular visits?
It's like a spa day for me, pretty much. It's my one day out of my week that I get to just kind of chill out and just relax and feel better and recharge for the week.
Exactly. All right. Good, good. Okay, what makes you look forward to your appointments?
I just, it's just a place to come say a friendly hello and how everyone's doing, and just to feel better, and just I learn more about my body and what helps, and yeah.
Awesome. And then we'll see here. Okay, last one we'll talk about, and then if you have anything extra add at the end, you feel free. Okay. So what would you say to someone who's kind of considering coming into HealthWorks, or maybe he's on the fence a little bit? How would you describe it, and what would you say to them?
It's a good way to kind of just see how your quality of life is, and some things, some adjustments to help that quality of life. And it's not a quick fix. So it's pretty much, you need to be committed to go through with it and just continue on, and then you see the results in the end. Okay,
well, Debbie, thank you so much. Is there anything else you'd like to add, or anything about your experience that you'd like to share?
No, I just highly recommend the program, and I hope a lot of people take advantage of it.
All right. Well, thank you, Debbie. We really appreciate it, and we love you as a patient.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right.